Good afternoon, folks. Coming back to you from the counselor's garden. It's a beautiful early August day. Garden is exploding, as you can see. I've clearly given up on fully maintaining these crazy tomatoes, and man, you should see the accidental pumpkin garden that I've accidentally done. Yes, there's a raised bed in there, a 4x8 that you clearly cannot see. Anyway, we're here today. I think it's about time to get these taters out. All Yukon Gold variety. Oddly enough, there's one over there that looks like it's still kind of trying to grow some, but I want this area for something else. We're getting close to August 10th here, so kind of approaching halfway through August, and I'd like to get some fall stuff planted. So, there's some small ones in here, there's some small ones, but I have peaked a little. I mean, my son dug one up right here a little bit, and we've got not a giant one, but an edible one. Not that size means they're not edible or anything. So I'm gonna pick up a few potatoes from this. So I'll set us up on the tripod here and maybe record a couple and time lapse a few and go from there. Stay tuned. All right, here we are tripoded up. I'll just go over here and do a little zoom in here. That is way too much. Sorry about that. Hopefully you're not motion sick. We'll focus in on this area here, and I'll kind of try to dig some up and see. Usually I see people sometimes do this with a pitchfork. I never have. I like playing in the dirt though, so I will just grab and pull, knock them off in there. Get the whole plant out of the way. Got a couple little baby dudes on there still, but this one came off too. Get this one off too, and now we'll dig around in the dirt a little. Just shell up the old one there. Alright, let's see what we got. A couple alright sized ones there. These up in here. See what we can pull out. There's another one. Treasure hunting here. Ooh, that's a good sized one. So you can see that. Good. Ooh, another really good one. Some of this dirt here might be a little too hard for them to grow super well in, but looks like I've got a fairly good haul on just these first couple. We don't eat potatoes that much. I just like growing them because they're usually so prolific. Yeah, it's gotten a little hard down there, so they couldn't go too far in, but yeah, well, looks like a couple from 2 plants. We got a decent little haul here. Maybe a couple pounds of potatoes. So anyway, yeah, let's zoom out and I'll kind of time lapse the rest of this and see what the final product is. Alright, gang, a little bit of work. Sure there's some leftovers hiding in there, I bet, but that's sometimes the fun of it, seeing what pops up next year and stuff. Yeah, if I could do maybe something different. I mean, first year using these beds and in this spot, and kind of got packed down underneath at the very bottom, but I think what I would do more of, and I tried to do a little bit of it this year, is to do like they do in a not raised bed, right? Like plant the potato down there and just barely cover it up, and then a little bit comes up, cover it more, so that maybe I could get some more. But really, that's not a small box. I mean, I don't know how much it weighs, but that's a good 20-30 pounds. I mean, it's not a small amount of potatoes, especially for a family that doesn't eat a ton of potatoes. More just growing the potatoes to practice longevity and saving, and Sorry, got a call. Yeah, practice saving them maybe, see if we can make them last for a little while. And you know, this box could last us maybe 3 months, maybe more even, if we can, you know, cure them and get them going. So yeah, by no means a potato master, obviously. From what I hear though, I mean, don't clean them off, maybe lightly brush some dirt off, separate the nasty ones and stuff, and then just put them in a cool, dry spot, not in sunlight, and let them kind of harden on the outside, let the skin harden some, and then they'll last for a long time. So maybe I'll do another part 2 on how the potato saving's going, but hope this was entertaining, informative, whatever. Thanks for tuning in, and hope your gardens are growing well. Take care.